Happy holidays, guys. I know Christmas time is coming up and we are Christmas shopping and trying to get those gifts underneath the Christmas tree. I wanted to come on right quick to show you guys what I have been up to. Okay, so my son asked me, Mom, can you please find this gift for my aunt? Okay, so I said, okay. So of course she's a woman. So what do women like? They love necklaces. Okay, so guys, this video is in collaboration with EDEUOEY. I hope I am pronouncing that right. But guys, I know this is the perfect gift for his aunt. So I had to get the box, guys, for this gift. I got this beautiful necklace, but the box, guys, the necklace has to sit in this beautiful box. So I'm gonna show you guys the box. Let me tell you, okay, so you do not want to give a person a gift like this without a box. Okay, look at this box, guys. One of my favorite colors for one, and it looks velvet. Like, just look at this color. Like, I don't know, it doesn't feel velvet, let me correct myself, but look at this color. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so I got the necklace, but I had to get the box. Guys, the box was so important. Look at this beautiful necklace. It says I love you forever on it, and it has the little diamond on in the middle of it. But guys, I find that when you get jewelry like this, you should have it in a gift box. And I know with everyone Christmas shopping, you need to find the perfect gift boxes, guys, for your gifts. And I will leave the link to these gift boxes below. I will leave the link because, guys, I know y'all wondering, like, Mink, all right, give us the link to the gift box. Okay, it will be below, guys, for you. But I had to get this necklace for my son because he was like, Mom, I need to find the perfect gift for her, because you know he loves his aunt so much, just like he loves his mama. But he is so lovable and caring, and he likes to show his love to others. So I was like, oh, mama got you. I know you have to have this in a box, because you know some boys don't know, you know, that they'll just give the necklace just like that. But no. You have to have elegance. A box is way more important. And plus, when you're putting it underneath the Christmas tree, guys, it's so important to have this gift wrapped in a box underneath the Christmas tree. So there's many boxes to choose from, guys. And you know, there's many, I know you have many gifts, so there's many boxes you can choose so you can put your gifts in. They even have candy boxes, guys. I was so like shocked. I'm like, okay, I know where I'm gonna be going to get my boxes from now on. I show you guys how the necklace looks, please check out this website, Tianya, and it has all the gift boxes you can choose from, guys. But it is so beautiful. Like, it goes so well with the necklace, guys. So, or whatever jewelry you decide you want to put it on, whatever item you decide you want to put, it depends on the size, guys. But please don't forget about your elegant gift box. I can't stress this enough, guys, because this is something that they can put the necklace, like your loved one can put the necklace back in this box. You know, once they want to take it off to like take a shower, or if they don't want to wear it for a day, they have somewhere to put it instead of just placing it somewhere, you know. So this is a great storage box as well. And the velvet, I love that velvet black part. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my goodness, this looks so beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. This necklace is amazing. I love it. I'm upset that I didn't get it for myself. Oh my gosh, but I promised my son I would get this for him. Oh my goodness. Show you how it looks from far like this. It looks amazing. I love it. I love it. Beautiful, beautiful gift box that it comes in. Comes with this little cloth. So if you want to clean off your jewelry, the best, guys. I also wanted to add, guys, that this necklace says "I love you forever" on it. Is engraved on there, which makes this necklace extra special, guys. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box below for your gift box and the beautiful necklace. All the links are down below for you, and I will also list them in the comment section as well, so you can purchase them. Don't forget your gift box, guys. I will leave the link to that because it's very important. I will leave the link in the description box and in the comment section for that box. It's so important. I could not give the necklace to my son without this gift box. So please make sure, if you like this video, please thumbs up, guys, and subscribe so you are notified next time I post a new video, guys. I enjoyed showing you this gift, and I thank you all for watching. Happy holidays to you all, and have a blessed day. Bye bye, my Minkies.